Hey everyone, Jeff McGinnis, CrossCountry Mortgage. I get this question all the time. Are you going to pull my credit? And it's usually laced with fear and trepidation about not being able to qualify for a loan or somehow damaging the credit report of the client that's interested in our conversation. So what I found it to lower the concerns of a hard pull on a credit report, I found direct from Experian. As you can see on my screen, Experian, by the way, is one of our 3 credit bureaus, and it was on their website. And as you can see on my screen, the answer to the question, how will a hard pull affect my credit score, is exactly 5 points or less. So if you have a strong credit history, it'll be less than that according to the FICO score scoring model, which is an algorithm, and I can go into that at another FAQ. But so really, it's not such a scary thing. You get a hard pull, it'll cost you 5 points or less, depending on where you're coming from or where you're starting from. So if you have any further questions, or you'd like to talk with me about your specific situation, or would like to see what kind of loan you qualify for, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help have a great conversation with you. Have a great day.